Hello. One of the biggest perceived problems that we all face is when we're asked a question, something like, what's wrong with this reality? Or what's the truth behind this or that event? And trying to sum it up in an easy answer is near impossible because it's basically like saying to a child or a teenager, here's the keys to the Ferrari, off you go. But there is a way of getting the simplest answer. And the answer will come when you know who you are, where you are, why you are, and what's the other one? Yeah, the who, oh, and the what you are, which in turn will reveal when you are and how you are. The place for that is to go back to source. I invite you to check out my video called Disconnect to Reconnect, where I give you the how-to. It's actually very simple. We are walking in two worlds, so it requires you to be in two worlds at the same time. To do that is to make a partial disconnect from this physical reality and go into a world of your own. Here's an enterprise for you, and that is to boldly go where no man has gone before. To be bold is to have the self-confidence. You notice it's got the very powerful sixth character of the alphabet, the letter F, or the letter F if you prefer, followed by the ID. The con is the coming together, so the confidence, being able to walk the path, being able to do the dance, as it were, with that inner knowing, which you'll only find when you go back to source. It's not enough to say, oh, I'm awake to all the external things. That still will not reveal to you who you are. It can only be summed up in feeling it inside oneself. And the only way you're going to do that is to go back to source. There is no place like home after all. So just a short little video with a little reminder. And I invite you to check out the previous videos and follow the links that I put in the descriptions as well, because they are an enormous value. Not all of you will get it from the way it's said one way, but you might get it from the same thing said in a slightly different way with a slightly different language. So I also invite you to check out True Love channel and to check out Archaix channel as well. Also check out Neville Goddard teachings, check out Joseph Benner, Dr. Joseph Murphy and Alan Watts, and of course Rudolf Steiner. They will all give you a wealth of knowledge which, if you put the time and the effort, if you take the active steps, it will certainly help guide you to find your way to source. And I do this in that previous video, Disconnect to Reconnect. I give you the blueprint pattern of how to walk in two worlds and find that connection. It is reflected in technology. For technology to be any good requires a strong connection. Well, you're not going to get a stronger connection than the spiritual connection where you are connected directly to source. Unconditional love to you all.